All right, so here we have a Trion CD90 dehumidifier. And it is set up in a whole house configuration. There's two different ways of doing the whole house configuration. This happens to be one of them. So in this application, we have a return air duct over here, and we have a grill. So let's just say you have a finished basement, for instance. You could mount this setup here where this grill would be in a wall of the basement. 12-inch duct comes off of it, goes into the dehumidifier, so we'd be sucking humid air out of the basement, the finished basement in this description, into the dehumidifier. We would be drying that air out, and then through the 6-inch duct, we're going to take that dry air and put it into the return air system. Now, the furnace happens to be running right now in dehumidify mode, so there's air coming down here from the home. There's also air coming from this return air system that's separate through the dehumidifier. So we're taking some air this way, some air this way. We're mixing the two together, and we're reintroducing that air into the home. Now, for a demonstration unit, we chose to use a Nest thermostat. You can use anything you want as long as it has a dehumidification setting in it. So this one happens to have that, and right now it's in dehumidify mode. So in dehumidify mode on this particular thermostat, what it's doing is it's saying, hey, I want to dehumidify the home. It's turning the furnace blower on. It's also sent a signal over here to our dehumidifier to run it at the same time. So we are mixing the air. We're taking humid air from the home down this way. We're also taking some humid air in here, drying it out, and pushing it in here. So we're mixing humid air coming down along with some dry air that we're sampling from the basement here in this description. So we're mixing the two together, we're running them into the furnace, and we're redistributing that air into the home. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.